This is the start of my last cruise. This is the sourdough. With the bottle. For you to survive it is to... How many years in the company? Only 25 years. Okay. Good morning, everybody. So for today, it's a new week or new set of guests yung meron kami. So this is the start of my last cruise. Okay. So last cruise ko na, guys. And ang per cruise namin is 2 weeks. So last 2 weeks na lang ang Inday Badiday. And for Raymond, 1 month pa siya.
Hoy, sabi sa track ako,
28 days na lang daw siya. So, we're gonna eat in Podhangan. Galing sa dito. Bukan our na, oh. Okay. Ano pa ngayon? Ano ang linggo? Sarado pa? Sarado, guys! Yung gusto namin kainan. And we're with Charmaine. They have menu for breakfast. Guys, itindihin mo. Itindihin yan. Ba't sa'yo? This is the sourdough. With the bottle. So good. When I ordered cappuccino, na hindi mainit. Wala kami makakain sa dapat na pagkakainan namin. Kasi sarado pa sila. Alas 12 pa. So, we are back in our cabin. Nag-quick breakfast lang kami. Tapos nakita namin si Charmaine. So, sumama na kami sa kanya. Since close yung parang food hall doon. Hello! I am in the little bar. Aray ko. Halika dito, Sir John! So, this is Papa Jun, guys.
Hi!
How many years in the company?
Only 25.
Only 25 years. 2 years. How many years in the company?
1 year. Only 2. Yes, 1 year.
Oh, really?
2 decades only.
How many years in the company?
1 year.
Wait.
1 year and 5 months.
Ang totoo nga.
Why? I'm telling the truth.
No, you're not. You're 50 years, no? In
Why?
the company.
50. Oh no, make it half. 20.
20 only? So, that's how the Lido bar looks like. Pinakamatikas. Si King.
Uy, nagawin ng kata.
This is the kids pool. Yan. Cut ko. Paya-pera.
1,000. Upal ka ba, boss?
Hi everybody. So right now, andito ako ngayon sa Gelato. Hello ma'am, how can I help you?
Can I have 2 ice creams, pistache,
Which one?
pistache and salted caramel
Oh, and you want 2 cups?
in 1 cup?
And 1 cup. Pistachio and a caramel.
Yes.
You want a small one or the big one, ma'am?
I think he wants a small one.
Small one, sure.
And don't know what is small.
Actually, we only have 1 cup, but for the small one, only 2 scoops, while for the big one, it's 3 scoops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yun na nga, guys. I am here in the gelato. So, isa to sa mga pinagtatrabahuan namin. I mean, isa sa mga lounge na naro-rotate kami. So, for me, I think I already told you in the first video that I did na I roam around. So, floater ako and we call it Orange Quad, which is all we have to do is just sell drinks. We don't have the main bar. So, for those people na Orange Quad, they are the top sellers. So, all they have to do is just sell drinks, and help, of course. And then, for those servers naman na may main bar, they're in charge of the specific lounge. Ayan, maglilinis ng pantry, general cleaning, and ayun, making sure na yung lounge is malinis. So, they're responsible for the specific bar. So, ayun. So, merong 6 na Orange Quad sa Pinnacle class. Pinnacle class is big ships, the biggest ships of Holland, America. So, itong Pinnacle class is different from the other ships. Kasi ito, ang Pinnacle class lang ang merong gelato, ang merong quench, ang merong panorama bar. So, maraming wala sa mga art class. And, sir, ano pa ba isa? Art class tsaka Vista class. So, yun. Hi, ma'am. How can I help you?
One strawberry.
Sure. Miss Yolanda, you can sign for both. And you don't need to print your name, just signature. Thank you. Enjoy. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very
See you
much.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. For sure.
Don't tell anyone.
I won't. Guess what, guys? This is my 3rd contract as a beverage server. Pero, yung first contract ko talaga, nung runner pa ako, sobrang lala ng adjustment na nangyari sa akin. Kasi I am very afraid of talking to the guests. Kasi hindi naman ako fluent mag-English eh. Kumbaga, sumampa ako dito nang hindi talaga ako magaling makakipag-usap. And, ayun, to the point na umiiwas pa ako sa mga guests para lang hindi ko sila makausap, ganyan. Though there's this one guest na parang hindi talaga ako sinukuan, na kahit iniiwasan ko sila is they still wanted to talk to me. And little did I know na aware sila na nahihiya ako sa kanila. But they're kind enough to tell me na kapag nahihirapan ako makipag-usap sa kanila, they will just take it slow. I mean, the way sila magsalita, babagalan nila for me to understand it properly. So, ganun yung mga instances na na-encounter ko on my first contract. So, hello, good afternoon. But as time goes by, natututunan ko nang intindihin yung iba't ibang accent nila. So, from Dutch, the way they speak, British, English. What else? Ano pa bang mga naging guest namin dito? Thai, Chinese, name it. So, yeah. All you have to do is experience it for you to learn how to do it. Katulad nung unang server ko din, first time ko mag-server. Bago ako sumampa ng bar ko, I don't know how to use tray because I am always behind the bar. I've been a barista for a long time and naging bartender din ako for like maybe 3 years. So, yeah, I've never been a server when I was in the Philippines. So, serving drinks is one of my weaknesses na naging strength ko na siya ngayon. So, you can turn things talaga into great things. Alam niyo yun, na parang minsan yung weakness mo is yun pa yung nagiging strength mo. pagdating ng panahon. So, may mga taong na-appreciate ako despite of my imperfections. I think the secret recipe, kala mo tayo, the secret recipe in working on board the ship for you to survive it is to just enjoy it. Just be genuine. And another thing is, kung gusto niyo talagang makakuha ng malaking tip, just be genuine with what you do. So, nakikita kasi ng guests yan if you're genuine enough to serve them, if you're just serving them because you need something in return. Of course, we want to earn something, but for me, I always tried excuse me. I always tried to work with passion. So, alam niyo yun, parang hindi lang ako nagtatrabaho dito just because I wanted to earn something. Of course, it is, but hindi lang yun. Because I genuinely enjoy talking to people and serving people. Especially here, yung mga guests namin dito is majority are old, seniors and everything like that. I'd like to talk to them because I learned a lot from them. Kasi imagine they experience a lot to the point that they're just enjoying their lives, and marami na ako narinig na story na nakakatulong din sa growth ko as a person. So, I'm not talking to them just because I wanna get a tip. It's not like that. For me, honestly, it's just a genuine service that we could offer with the other people. Especially if you're working on board the ship. They will feel it for sure. They will feel it and they will know if you really care for them. So, parang mga lolo't lola ko na yung mga tao dito, nanay at tatay. And still, even if I'm working on board, I really wanted to save so that I could stop working on board as well. Kasi hindi naman talaga madali yung buhay dito, and knowing na hindi naman na bumabata yung magulang ko, I wanted to be with them as well as I grow older. Hi! So, yon, and more time with my siblings and my nephews and Raymond and Raymond's family. Alam niyo yun. Kasi hindi naman forever talaga ang pagtatrabaho sa barko. It's just that as much as possible, I wanted to save for my own growth. But yeah. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Can I have a waffle cone with chocolate?
Sir, I'm really sorry. We just ran out of waffle. I have a cup.
A cup, yeah.
Is that okay?
Sure.
Somebody's here. Kamusta ka naman?
Do you want sauce?
Mukha siyang ice, guys. Nangunguha siya ng yellow. Bye. Hi everybody. So look how much garbage we have in our car. So isang bowl ko siya, guys. Tapos yung mga bagay na hindi na namin kailangan, itatapon na namin mamaya. So just fix our bed. Kasi later on, relax na. Ayusin ko pa actually yung luggage ko kasi hindi pa siya totally organized. So, ayusin ko siya later. Yeah. So, inaayos lang namin yung cabin kasi pag lumipat kami, or lumipat si Raymond, then pag alis ko, yung next na magsistay dito is walang problema. So, you know, iiwan na rin namin sa kanila tong mini envelope namin. Saan punta?
Tita Kumes.
Kakain siya guys ng mag-isa nang walang nagmamahal sa kanya. Ay,
Oh,
tata.
picture ha.
Bawal. Bye! So, habang wala siya guys, ako'y maglalaba. I mean, magsasalang kasi hindi naman ako naglalaba. Sana nakaayon sa atin ang panahon guys. Para mailagay na rin natin yung ibang mga damit sa maleta. So, we need to do this thing. But, sana yung panlaban namin. Nandun na lang yung lahat. Yay! May dalawang slot. Kasi isa is naka-error. Ito. Ito. Itapon ko sana eh.
Gawin na mo. Gawin mo ah.
Abang nalagay ko na. Nakaharang si kuya. Kaya mo, nagbe-video ko.
Kakausap mo sa?
Oo, kasi sabi ko, nagbe-video ako, tapos nakaharang si kuya. Pero ito sa atin, ito rin sa yan. Let's go! Ulitin mo yung sabi mong una.
Magtatapon tayo ng basura.
Sabi mo magtatapon ka.
Magtatapon ako tayo ng basura.
So, itatapon na namin to guys. Ito na. Ayan. And itong mga boots na hindi na namin kailangan. I think we have to throw the box also na, no? Tapos, bakit kaya meron sang ganito?
Ako kanina sa table, nakita mo yun, diba?
Hindi oh.
Isa pa na.
Pagkibilisan. Kalimutan ko pa. Ay. Bang. Pandi ko. Boom. OA talaga. Sobrang OA mo talaga. Gano'n ka OA ang boba mo? Sama ulo. Papansin mo. Sobrang basa? Hindi. Wala na. Asin? Ayan, kailangan natin i-90 plus para hindi nila galawin.